is nothing but an aggregation of influences upon you. Who are you? We have defined that right in the beginning. You are the thirsty one. The thirsty one is influenced by the mind, by the aggregation of the influences, because the ones influencing you promise you relief. Just see that they cannot deliver what they promise. That's all. You won't need to listen to them anymore. And if the next question is, then to whom do we listen? If you are not listening to the right ones, then you are already being powered by, if you're not listening to the wrong ones, then you are already being powered by the right one. Otherwise, how would you not listen to the wrong one? From where would the courage come to call the wrong as wrong? Are Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn the culprits? Do they have an intention? Do they have an agency even? Are they conscious entities? Are they? So we go to them and we use them as per our tendencies. So what is our tendency?
Quick appreciation. Quick appreciation.
And if you do not have Facebook, then this tendency will seek refuge in something else. Facebook was not always there. Then the neighbors were there. Then other chatting circles were there. Or the telephones were there. When the telephones were not there, the pigeons were there. If one has a tendency to seek self-worth in the eyes of others, that tendency will materialize in some form or the other. So look at that tendency and ask yourself, am I succeeding in what am I doing, in what I am doing? Am I succeeding? I go there to seek self-worth. Am I really getting self-worth, or am I just becoming more fearful and more addicted? Is not all addiction accompanied by fear? The same social media can also be the vehicle of precious knowledge to you. It is not social media to be blamed. It is the the tendency that goes to the social media. So many people here might have met me first time on social media. It's fine. It depends on what you want there. The internet is the entire universe. What are you seeking there? Or do we bring down the internet?
In fact, through the social media, I came to know about your teachings.
It's just like the world. There is everything. You must know what your situation is, and therefore what exactly do you need.
Is seeking self-worth wrong?
If you want to seek, why not seek the source from where you got the idea of worthlessness? When one seeks self-worth, behind that is the idea of
Fulfillment.
why would I seek something that I already have? So every seeking is propelled by the perception of a lack. Won't it be a wise thing to seek the source from where the idea of lack came to you? What is this thing called lack? How do we come to internalize it? And once you have internalized it, once it has become a part of your identity, then obviously you will go hunting for self-worth. How did worthlessness come to you?
From social media only. From what others say.
Self-knowledge can give you 5 eureka moments every day.